Can you hear me, Tommy?
Yeah, because
I know.
Oh, I want to do it again. Bring me back up. Fellas, we got a cup of Joe here. Starbucks with a major fuck up this morning. We asked for an iced coffee. The lady made me a coffee so fucking hot, almost absolutely roached the top of my lip. But yeah, it's 87 degrees this morning. I'm drinking hot coffee like a scumbag. We're on our way to Travis Pastrana's house, also known as Pastrana Land. We got Johnny behind the lens. If you guys ain't following Johnny on Instagram, then that means you don't support us and the channel. Johnny_edits. We are on road to 10,000 for Johnny's IG page, and we are also on the road for 100,000 followers for the YouTube page. Thank you guys always for tuning in. I don't know what kind of shit we're getting into at Pastrana's right now. I think Pastrana is there. Hopefully we get to meet the guy, talk a little shit, do a little rub and tug action. Not that I'm gonna be joining that, but you guys are gonna be watching it. Love yous all. Make sure you head over to DukeGomez.com for all the best quality merch in the game. Let's get into another video. We have Blank in the back seat coming with us. He's an unknown character. He hasn't been unlocked yet. And we're gonna see how he performs. All right, guys, we're blowing up an airbag. There you go. Everybody's teamwork here.
really helping out.
Look at Tommy.
Go help him, bro.
My guy carries around a camera, so no matter what, he doesn't have to touch nothing. Well, I'm filming.
I'm filming right now, man. I can't. I'm filming.
Yeah, John. Thanks for helping out, you piece of shit.
I gotta film it. You know, it's content right now.
I'm filming. I'm filming, bro. Yeah, because this will make the piece.
Yeah.
I think that's definitely bigger than Super Kicker.
That thing's insane.
I don't know the moto stuff, but
bro.
yeah, that's gnarly.
This thing's definitely putting you like close to above the trees.
Yeah. If I go from the top, I'm
Easily.
pretty high up, yeah. But yeah, you'll have to check out at the top of this hill here is the turf pit bike track that we pretty much finished this morning.
Turf?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
turf's
no
kinda
way.
fun, actually.
Oh, we gotta
That's
rip
sick,
that.
dude.
We
Pretty
gotta
much
rip
no
that.
one's ridden it yet.
Really?
To be honest, yeah.
Is it like pretty much like rideable right now?
Done, yeah. We literally finished it this morning.
Oh, yeah, Tommy.
What the fuck are you doing?
Rub and tug bell.
Why are you always so weird? Well, can't you just hang out? Like, where's the guy always be that?
Tommy, you gotta understand something. I'm empowered by greatness.
He's got to be
So
like.
when you're in town, I freak out. I can't contain myself. I start getting the jitters.
You look like a constant, just veiny cock.
Oh,
Wow. Coming from you?
that's insane. I can't even film him.
You know I love you.
Tommy's always got something nice to say to me.
I do love you.
Fuck.
What?
Oh! Yo, that's sick!
Don't line out that way. Like bank off of it.
You gonna do it or not?
Shut up, pussy.
Alright.
Are you gonna do it?
No, I'm a pussy.
Where else can we go next?
You're a pussy too?
Yeah. Fuck it, I'll do it. Last YouTube video, we shouted out the winner for the 50K giveaway for the 500 bucks. And today we are showing proof that we actually do give back to the community because a lot of people think that I'm a fucking scam. We got Tony's information right there for those of you that want to send maybe a little bit more to Tony. You guys want to send? Yep, we're all sucking dick in the vlog now. Tony's getting 500. We'll pay without confirming. Fuck it, I feel like. I told Tony that he smells like shit.
Did it decline?
It's probably, is it gonna decline if I write something mean?
It might.
It went! Yo, Venmo, you guys are fucked up. All the other shit that I put, you guys declining because it's too mean. But
What'd
I
you
told
put?
Tony, I put Tony smells like shit because he does. Tony, you got $500. You could spend that with whatever you want. If you want to rub your nuts on it, maybe buy a $500 vibrator and rub it on your clit. Do whatever you want, buddy. But thank you for tuning in to the videos. Thank you for the 50K subscribers. And thank you for always putting honey on my beef. Tell me when.
You ready for
All right,
this?
guys. Hey, guys. Welcome to Jackass. My name's Asshole.
Tricycle no
the
stop.
Tricycle no stop. Fuck it. I want to do it again. Bring me back up. Bring me back up.
Today we're gonna teach Duke how to drop in.
Today we're gonna teach Tony Hawk how to properly ride a skateboard. And guess who's not gonna be doing it? Me. I don't know how to do it. I don't understand how people go down a hill with it. I can't ride a skateboard.
Well, especially like the Grand Canyon of vert ramps right here.
It's just like the
this
first
thing
thing
is insane.
Everything's leaning forward. What I feel like with a skateboard, like the second you get down, you gotta put all your weight. But then you don't want to go too far forward where it slides this way. This is so. When was this fully finished? Recently, right?
Yeah, like months, like 3 months ago. I think is like
Yeah, because you guys were building it last time we were here.
Yeah, I think that's when it was.
And what? Lindsay just comes in here and puts her fucking lats in.
She'll put
Does
it
she
down.
still ride like at comps?
Yeah, she'll be here shortly, I think.
And he was like, I'll send you one of my old frames. So then I put all my sponsors' components on it and everything. And I've only been riding it for like a month and a half now, maybe.
So
but I'm just trying to, yeah,
how much pussy are you getting riding this thing?
I know, right?
This is an indication of how much pussy it's attracting. It's a bunch of dudes sitting here drilling in his
So
bike.
how fucking long did it take you to put those pants on with those pads?
Yeah, right.
Christ. Dude's got no room for his nuts to breathe.
We like it tight as fuck.
Hey!
Or the triple flip on a trike.
Yo, you gotta hit this with a tricycle.
What's sketchier, to jump it with that ramp or that ramp?
Definitely. So just because that one's smaller, you get like way more just pop. This one you get a little bit more flow to it, but they're both pretty sketchy.
I hate it here, bro.
Yeah. He's doing it.
Can we come back from Toys R Us, and today we're gonna send this thing to the moon.
Nah, you do
I guess
your
we're doing
thing
tricycle first.
You're going on that?
I'm serious though, you have to flip it your first go.
Bro, I don't even know.
I know, no, but the ramp wants you to flip, just lean back. Like, I've only ever flipped these, I've never straight jumped.
Is it sketchy to just straight jump it?
I've
Because
never
it
done
goes
it.
like this, right?
You're gonna go back either way.
Backflip.
Yeah, but I'm worried that I won't even make it to the airbag.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying? See?
You'll make it.
Just go fast, yeah.
What a fucking piece of shit.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You going for it again?
Come on.
Holy shit! Yo, you went so fucking high.
flip down. Time to lock in. We're gonna do 2. Pull up to the lip of the fucking ramp. Think about Lizzo, how much I hate her. Pull back, say a Hail Mary, and then come back to you guys and report, and we'll see what we get done.
Good? Gucci, it looks good.
Good, man? Bro, that was perfect, but wicked. I didn't go fast enough. You can do another triple. What are you talking about? Get my ass.
Yeah.
It's the rifles. And I'll tell you what, we put a target on the end point, and if you could zoom in there, you could see it says LGBTQ.
You're so dumb.
Okay. And if you see to your far left, if you zoom in on the ammo there, you can see that it says "fuck Lizzo" in giant letters, mate. Now, fellas, you might be wondering, guns, people, Pastrana Land doesn't go hand in hand, but today it does. Now, if you go to DukeGomez.com and you pull out your credit card and you buy something off my website, you could fund stuff like this. And you could fund me, and we could fund John together.
Yeah. Thanks, guys. Tommy, it's not that deep. It's not that deep, bro.
You know, I like that you're like half sensitive, half not. He's like half.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Who's that?
Point Break.
Is
The
that
mask. Huh?
Is that LeBron?
Who fuck's LeBron?
LeBron James?
Who the fuck's LeBron?
I don't watch
Listen here,
basketball.
Mr.
Talk
Brim.
about gay shit all the time. Dude, LeBron.
Oh, shit.
Holy shit! Why don't you go lift my nutsack with all the weight?
Is it quiet with the silencer?
Wait, you shot it?
Oh, that's pretty quiet. Can you hear me, Tommy?
Yeah, because
I know, I'm just fucking with you.
Tommy, there's only 3 genders. I just wanted to know that, and you're probably wondering what are the 3 genders?
What are the 3 genders?
Male, female, mentally ill. So now let's lock up and let's get them loaded.
You don't have to yell.
Did you just mute him?
No, I got speakers.
I like yelling at you though. It's more passionate.
To them and dial me in. Fuck fat people.
Well, there, pal.
Ta-da!
Is that friendly fire? Is that friendly
Oh,
fire?
is it?
He looks like an undercover cop right now with the Hawaiian shirt. He's like, you guys sell vapes here?
No.
You sure about that?
No, we don't. What's a
I
vape?
don't think I could ever imagine
What's
Tommy
a vape?
smoking an AC unit. I think it's so unattractive when women smoke AC units.
Yeah. I didn't even know what you were talking
And
about.
let me-
I thought you were talking about HVAC. Like,
No, like
HVAC?
I call the Juuls and the vapes AC units.
Oh yeah.
And if you're a guy smoking them, I think it's pretty gay.
Put these in your ears.
Sucking
Are you
right.
dead ass?
Actually.
Will it get lost?
No, we're gonna get lost in your ear. No, so that for hearing, man.
What the hell?
You're trolling me, you piece of shit. Actually.
God.
Oh!
Yep, I probably should have done it. Should've.
I thought this bullet blew up in my
Put it
ear.
in there. I'm not kidding.
It's
better
actually
than
not
nothing.
that bad right now. This ticket got fucking bullets in his ear.
Welcome to Bullet University,
It's where.
where we put bullets in our ear holes. Take cover. You good?
Yeah.
I see Tommy in the distance. Take clear.
He'll survive. How many trainees did you get?
4. Only 4. You know what they say, Tommy? If you can make a chick laugh and giggle, you can make that ass clap and jiggle. All right, fellas. As always, a successful day at Pastrana Land. I am a little bummed, though, that I wasn't able to bring my big bike here. For those of you that don't know, I blew that shit up last week. Honestly, luckily, I did it last week, because if I would have brought it and did it here, it would have been probably 10 times worse. Imagine the bike blowing up while I'm fucking upside down.
Yeah, for real.
It was literally on its way out. My bike has like 72 hours on it. Never did a top end, so I got a top end, bottom end being done. I might just rebuild it and then sell it and maybe get a new bike, but I don't know what the fuck I'm doing yet. If you guys think I should get a different brand bike, let me know in the comments, because who knows? Maybe I'll go with KTM, Yamaha, maybe Beta, Suzuki, go back to Kickstarting. I probably won't do that. Thank you guys always for tuning into the videos. Make sure you're subscribing, make sure you're commenting, make sure you're liking the videos. As always, we give out free merch to the top comment when the video hits 1,000 likes. When it hits 2,000 likes, the second comment, and so on and so forth. So make sure you guys are commenting and liking the video. Huge shout out to this guy, Street Bike Tommy. If it was not for this guy, none of this shit would happen. For those of you that want to check him out, Street_Bike_Tommy. Let's unshadow ban this fucking guy. And if you're part of Instagram or Facebook, help the guy out.
Yeah.
He's got great content that the world wants to see.
Yeah.
Tommy, we love you, bro.
Appreciate
Thank you always for having me out. Hopefully next time you can let me come out and I want to flip the
Well,
big
just bring
one.
your bike next time.
But we did a backflip on a tricycle, so that's a plus.
Well, you did say, like, specifically you wanted to backflip the insulting bike.
Yeah. Well, you know what's crazy? I came here fully okay, and now I'm like, I'm hurting a little. That's why we sign waivers.
Yeah.
So when I have kids, I'm going to tell them that this is Disney World,
Yeah.
not the other place.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Go to DukeGomez.com for all the best quality merch in the game. And John's a bitch.